In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in ClickUp for beginners. Let's get started right inside ClickUp. First, make sure you're in the correct space and then go to your list view. This is usually where you see your tasks laid out in a simple vertical format. Being in list view makes it easier to see how the template will structure your tasks once it's applied. Next, look over to the left-hand side where your workspaces or spaces are listed. Find the workspace where you want this new template to live and click on the small plus icon next to it. This plus icon is your entry point for adding new items in that area, including templates. Once you click the plus icon, you'll see a few options. From these, click on Templates. This opens up ClickUp's template center for that specific location. Think of it as a library of pre-built setups you can reuse instead of building everything from scratch. Now you'll see a list of available templates. You can scroll through and browse if you're not sure exactly what you want, or if you already have a specific template in mind, use the search bar at the top. Type in a keyword that matches the kind of workflow you're looking for, and when you spot the template you want, simply click on it to open its details. On the template details screen, you'll see an option that says Use Template. Go ahead and click that. At this point, ClickUp needs a moment to copy everything over into your workspace. Give it a little time to load, usually around 15 seconds. If it seems like nothing is happening, just be patient and avoid clicking repeatedly, which can slow things down. Once it's ready, you'll be asked to name the folder where this template will live. Click into the folder name field and type in a clear descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, like Marketing Launch Template or Client Onboarding Template. After naming your folder, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will then create that folder with all the lists, tasks, and structure from the template. When it finishes, you'll see your new folder, and at the top you'll be presented with multiple views, such as list, board, or calendar. These views let you look at the same tasks in different ways. If you click on the View button, ClickUp will show you even more view types you can add, like docs, Gantt charts, and other options. You can enable the ones that make sense for your workflow, giving you a flexible, customized setup based on the template you just created.